Hi there, welcome to the John Day QA channel. My name's John, and in this video today we're going to show you how to blog from Microsoft Word. Now it's quite a quick video, so in this I'm going to do two things. One, show you how to register a blog account with Microsoft Word, and then secondly we'll post from Word application. Let's take a look. So I have my blog site ready, and it happens to be a SharePoint 2010 blog site. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the address of this site first. This will just save me some time when I go to register the site in Microsoft Word. Okay, so I've copied that. I'm going to go now into Microsoft Word. I'm going to go into the File tab and click New. And as you can see, the blog post is one of the templates that's available. So click blog post, and then on the right hand side here click create. Now if you've never used Microsoft Word before to create blog posts, you will be prompted straight away to register a blog account. But what if this box doesn't come up straight away? Or what if you want to register another blog account later on? Well, if I close this box down and just show you that on the blog post tab on the ribbon there's a manage accounts command. If I give that a click, it gives you a list of all the accounts that are currently in Microsoft Word, and here if I click new I can bring up that box again and continue the process. So from here I'm going to click on the drop down and choose SharePoint blog, and then click next, and then I'm going to paste in the blog URL that I copied earlier from my SharePoint blog site, and I'm going to click on OK. You'll get a warning pop up, and what the warning is explaining to you is that the information that you post from Microsoft Word to your blog site through the account is going to be sort of sent in a sort of text format, so it won't be encrypted, and therefore people may be able to intercept it. Now this is entirely down to you to decide yes or no if you want to continue using this method, but my blog site is in SharePoint, so I'm behind a sort of nice secure facility, so I'm going to click yes, and then it will show that the account was successfully registered. Okay, so that's now ready to use. I'm going to close this blog accounts box down, and I'm now ready to create a brand new blog. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into there and just type in the blog post title. So bloggers can now use Microsoft Word to blog. And because this is Microsoft Word, I'm going to do a good old-fashioned cheating trick. I'm going to use the equal rand. Now this, if you haven't seen this before, it just generates a certain number of random paragraphs, and in 2007 and 2010 it just repeats the same sort of 3 paragraphs over and over again. So if I say I want 8 paragraphs of text, press enter, you'll see it creates 8 paragraphs of random text. So that's job done. What I also do is I'm going to assign this to one of my categories that I created for my blog site earlier. So I'm going to insert a category. This is the only downside of this, is that you can only choose one category from Microsoft Word, but with other sites you can choose multiple categories. It's not a big problem. I can always go back into my blog site later and add the additional categories. And that's it. All I've got to do now is go to my blog post tab on the ribbon, and I can either publish it straight away or I can publish it as a draft, and this will basically put it into the blog site, but no one will see it until I'm happy that all the information in there is accurate and spelled correctly. I'm going to publish it. Again, you're going to get this warning every time, so I just don't want to see this anymore. I've been warned, and I don't want to suppress any more of these warnings. So just going to tick that box, click yes, and it's now done. It's published. And to prove that's happened, I'm just going to close Microsoft Word down. I'm not going to save the document. I've already got it posted. And if I refresh my blog site page, you can now see my new blog post. And there you go. So you can use Microsoft Word to conveniently post blogs with pictures, tables, and various other Word tools into your posts. Any comments or suggestions about my videos, you can use the comments box below, or contact me via email, johndayqa info@live.co.uk. If you're interested in the IT training, please contact QA at www.qa.com or via email info@qa.com. Thank you very much.